What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have a car?
No, I use the bus.
Do you have a car?
No, I use the bus.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Do you want something to eat?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you want something to eat?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you like pizza?
Of course, I love it.
Do you like pizza?
Of course, I love it.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every day.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every day.
Do you have kids?
Yes, 2 boys.
Do you have kids?
Yes, 2 boys.
Can I call you?
Sure, anytime.
Can I call you?
Sure, anytime.
Do you study English?
Yes, every day.
Do you study English?
Yes, every day.
Do you work today?
No, it's my day off.
Do you work today?
No, it's my day off.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Can you help me?
Of course.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Where is the school?
It's down the street.
Where is the school?
It's down the street.
Is it raining?
Yes, take an umbrella.
Is it raining?
Yes, take an umbrella.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am.
What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Is this yours?
No, it's not.
Is this yours?
No, it's not.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Is she nice?
Yes, very nice.
Is she nice?
Yes, very nice.
Do you run?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you run?
Sometimes, yes.
Is he busy?
Yes, he is.
Is he busy?
Yes, he is.
Are we late?
No, we're early.
Are we late?
No, we're early.
Do you care?
Of course, I do.
Do you care?
Of course, I do.
Is it cold?
Yes, very cold.
Is it cold?
Yes, very cold.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
Are you lost?
A little bit.
Are you lost?
A little bit.
Is he kind?
Yes, he is.
Is he kind?
Yes, he is.
Do you cook?
Yes, I love it.
Do you cook?
Yes, I love it.
Is it yours?
No, it's hers.
Is it yours?
No, it's hers.
Are you home?
Not yet.
Are you home?
Not yet.
Do you cry?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you cry?
Sometimes, yes.
Is she new?
Yes, she is.
Is she new?
Yes, she is.
Do you read?
Every day.
Do you read?
Every day.
Is it easy?
Yes, very easy.
Is it easy?
Yes, very easy.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
What do you need?
I need some water.
What do you need?
I need some water.